In a sense, I've looked after myself first through following my passions. And meanwhile, there's 30 people that are working out there that we're supporting, because I made my foundation strong, our foundation strong, which then gave the ability to help lots more people. So in a sense, you've got to be a little bit selfish, but you've got to find out what you're being selfish for. And then when you get that set up a little bit better, then the natural outcome of that is you want to share more, you want to help more. And that's really where we are, you know, and we have the ability to create so many cool things that make people relax when they're around in that atmosphere. And we just want to enlarge that.
We also have all of our kids involved now too. So, you know, Benjamin is Stuart's right hand. Yeah. And Jake, although he's not directly in with us, you know, he's still, that family value is right through it all. Max is doing the installing and designing, and then Courtney in the office with the advertising and website and invoicing. So having them around us as well to keep that dream alive is just, you know, I said to him once about having the children, because my dream was to have children. I would have had 6, but I wasn't able to. So, although thinking back now, I'm glad it's only 4, with being a lot of work. But yeah, I said to him, you know, you fulfilled my dream, so let's make your dream happen. And the fact that the kids are now involved in that too, I mean, they hated us to begin with. But,
we had to whip them all the time and smack them around a bit.
Yeah.
That's what we do in Australia, and it worked, because now they're really good kids. They've got good manners, they're on time, or most of the time. It's worked out well, and they're great at what they do.